What up, guys? Welcome to J-Dub's Car Stuff channel, and today we have a unique situation. So everybody knows about my O2 yellow Dodge Neon. Well, last night I ended up buying another O2 yellow Dodge Neon. The difference is this one is a manual. So we have a manual transmission one now. This one actually had a lot lower miles on it. This one only had 106,000 miles on it. I got a really good deal on it, but it does need some work. As you can see, there's some issues with the front end and everything, and yeah. But the beauty of the whole thing is we have a built-in parts car right here. So we're actually going to pull the front clip off of this one and put it on that one. So we will have a pretty solid Neon. I'm also pulling the tires off of my car, 2 wheels, and anything else, cruise control, all that stuff is coming off of this car and is going on that car. So I'm going to be posting a lot of videos on how to switch things over and all that stuff, so stay tuned. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know that we have a new work car that is going to turn into, hopefully, a very reliable, very nice car. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for updates. And considering if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.